I have this little window that I would really like to put a curtain over it. I will be using a chiffon fabric to create an airy feeling and also to diffuse light. This is a rough guide of what you may need. Gather the fabric at the top in order to fluff it up, and then roll the side hem. Honestly, I've mixed up the steps since I did not plan, but here is what should happen. You're going to iron on the stabilizer to the backing fabric and stitch in the little rectangles. Place the backing on the front fabric and sew around the top and side. Flip it inside out and top stitch at the bottom while making sure the gathers are in place. Cut 2 long fabric for the ribbon and 2 short fabric to be used as a simple knot in the middle. You just need to slot them in and tie them out. In the end, I decided to cut the bottom row hem to make it fall fluidly. The best thing is picking up to see my creation. Wow, I've made something and it's amazing! Alright, see you on the next video. Bye!